You're looking for a quick and easy way to visualize your ideas. We have developed an online solution to see how colors and finishes work together in a room setting. No matter what project you are planning, here you find decors applied to different rooms and styles. Or just quickly try your own combinations. The highlight, the texture in 3D option, gives you a first glimpse of the surface before getting a sample in your hand. Also, for your design phase, you can order samples in 85 x 85 mm, an ideal solution to experiment with decors and other materials to create mood boards. Last but not least, you can easily download large decor scans from our website and implement them with your own planning software. So, start to visualize your ideas and minimize your planning and development time.